video, and today I'm doing an unboxing video, and I am unboxing squishies. Oh, that's not on the camera. Squishies, and there's 3, so yeah. I'm just gonna open the box. How do I? I can't get it open. Mommy, let me just open from this side. Oh, I got it! I can't get the flap. That's good enough. Good enough. Okay, now I can't get this piece out. Okay, so I'm really hoping to get that little horse. Yeah. Ooh, that's a lot of things. Box is empty now. See? Box is empty. Throw that out. 1, 2. Is there anything down here? Mysterious. 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 Okay, so I'm gonna start opening. So it says here, there's a lot of things. Comes with a squishy pet, a little mystery little mini squishy, a name tag, like this bottle thingy, a mini bottle, a sticker, and yeah. And I think a collector's guide, I hope, because never opened these before. I need a scissor. Thank you. There we go. I got it. I got it. I got it. Of course. My luck. Great. Ah. It's a little horsey that I wanted.
Really?
I can't get it open. How? I can't get the top piece off because that's where it opens. Oh, I have a little trash can next to me. I forgot. I can't get it open. Wait, it says it's hot cocoa scented. Cool. Oh, now I get it open. Ooh, got a little mystery little mini bottle. Ooh. Ooh, the surprise. I think it's a little cake pop. Because I don't see it anywhere else. I need the scissors again. Oh, the scissors. Thank you. Just making sure the stick. Ah, here's the stick. I found the stick. Not cutting the stick. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little ice pop. It's so squishy. Cool. I don't understand the point of those. What? Like what? What is the point? And then we got a little horsey. Ooh. Oh, here's a little name tag. Cool. You get to name it? Oh, it's so soft. Look at that. Look at that squish. So yeah, a little horsey and a little cake pop. Nom 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 nom. Okay. I want to check out a checklist, considering I've never done this before. Yeah. Why do they put the checklist in plastic? Smells good. Oh. Ah, that's a sticker. Cool. Oh, but look. So that's a sticker. It's the same little horsey with the little ice pop. That little thing, it's like, that little thing is like, it ruins the squish of it because like it's a hard plastic thing in the squishy. Okay. Oh. Oh, those are other series. Never mind. Oh, okay. So that's the series. Small, but cool. So I have that little one. What's? Ooh. What? Oh, it's a little like game. That's cool.
See your name.
Molly Manor. So squishy. And Sarah Sprinkle Pop. Okay, cool. Keep that over there. These are cute little containers. Put some stuff in there, because I don't feel like. I'm just gonna showcase the squishies. Close that, please. Oh. There we go. Got it. Got it. Ah. There you go, that was easier. Oh, they're twist caps. Ooh. Okay, so we got the little bottle again. Okay, let's grab the... What is this? Is it a cat? No, it's a mouse. Cool. What does it say? Why does it say hot cocoa? Is it still hot cocoa? Checklist, okay. Cool. Checklist. Name tag again. I can't get the sticker out. Okay. So I'm just trying to feel where it is so I don't cut it, because I don't want to cut it. Okay, so there we go. Put that in the trash can. Oh, it's a little slice of pie. Look. That's cool. And then the little mouse. Yum, 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 yum. Is that one? Oh, yeah, there. So that's Sailor Squeaks, which is right here. Super cute. And Rosy Raspberry Pie. It looks like an apple pie. Does that look like an apple pie? Yeah, I know. I don't know. I think it's an apple pie. So it's an apple pie. And there's a sticker, same as usual. Here you go. Here you go, Mom. I'm gonna keep this checklist here. And we got one more. Okay. That didn't work as well as I thought it would. I got it, Mommy. I got it. Ooh, I think it's like a zebra, it looks like. Looks like a zebra, right, Mommy? Does that look like a zebra? It's got little strawberries on its head. Wait, no, is that a cat? That's a cat. That's a cat. Is that a cat or a zebra? What is this, like the hot cocoa series? Why does it say hot cocoa and everything? Same little bottle. Are they only pink? Cause like, oh no, the pink and red. Okay, we're good. So grab the zebra. Or is that a cat? That's a cat. Is that a tiger or oh, it's a tiger. Is that Tilly or wait, I'm so confused. Confusion. I don't know, like it's right there, but I don't know how to like what? How do you say that? Okay.
Tilly Tiger and Petunia Puff.
It looks like this one's a little cream puff. I'm trying to cut it open because it's not, I don't interesting to see plastic being cut open, but oh look, it's a little cream puff. Cream puff. Why did I say cream puff? I don't know. So cool. Except that little one bit. Anyways, so there's that. That worked. There was a unicorn in one of the previous series. So that's the sticker. Yeah, cool. So let's name them. I do not have a pen or a pencil. I'm gonna name you. Any ideas, Mommy?
Wait, they have names.
Yeah, but
You
there's
want a
little.
different name?
Yeah. Why not? There's a little name tag. What's that for you? Is this for you or the squishy? I don't know. I'm gonna use it for the squishy, because why not?
How about chocolate hot cocoa?
I have an idea. Oops. Whee! Keyboard. Keyboard will do. Oh, that didn't. Well, there goes a little popsicle. Let's see who comes off next. Okay. Let's see who comes off next. Queen Puff. Queen Puff was the one to die. But yeah, these two fell off. You survived. I guess because, like, this one's flat and the other two are round. I don't know. I have no idea. Anyways, that was kind of all. It was a short video, but it was my first unboxing video. What do these symbols mean? Why are there symbols? Why are there symbols? What do they mean?
No, they all say rainbow sprinkles.
What? What is the purpose of them? If you guys know what the purpose of that is, let me know, because I was confused. So anyway, yeah, we got a little horse and a cake pop, which is really cute. It's actually the one I wanted. We got a little mouse and a piece of cherry pie? I don't know. It looks like cherry pie, but it looks like cherry pie. Anyways, and we also got a little mouse, because he's got giant ears. What is that on his head? Is that like a piece of chocolate cake? Or is that a whole cake? I don't know. But we also got the zebra and the little cream puff. I feel like the cream puff is the squishiest out of all of them. If you didn't know what that was, it was me squishing all 6 of them at once. So yeah, so that's all for today. Oh yeah, and a reminder, every Wednesday will be a new video. I chose Wednesday because today's Wednesday, and yeah, just because. So yeah, that's about all. Goodbyes.